Hello friends. Today I'm going to demonstrate a simple passion management software. It's a kind of desktop applications. Okay, now here I'm going to present it. All those things I have done through the C Sharp programming language. All right, now let's begin. Okay, friends. First of all, I want to open my studio. All right, this is the code. Mm, all right, friends. And okay, all right. Now I'm going to start my applications, and okay, I'm going to press the start buttons so that my application started. Yes. This is the login phase. As you can see, this okay, friends. I want to say this is only the demonstrations of my applications, desktop applications of hospitals that belongs to the patient management systems. I mean that patient management project. Alright, this is the login form of admin. It's only it can be only just what I mean to say. It means seen by the administrator. It's all about in the control of administrations. So I want to click the password to just enter inside the software. Alright, here I'm going to press its username and password. Alright, yes, it says login successfully. Alright, friends, here I'm going to log in now. Okay, now our dashboard, it's a master phase where we can just go to for different departments. I mean the different pages these things I want to say. As you can see, there's the ward, doctors, patient, disease. Yes, as you can see, the logout button as well. Also the the report of each and every patients that are just admitted inside the hospitals. All right. It's also the one of the plus point, man. Over here you can just change your account password. Yes, your username as well, your passport. If somebody knows about that, and you can usually change the password about how to just enter inside this small software that I made. It's my small project. It's not a big deal. As you can see, the search button as well. As we have made our project that belongs to Nobel Medical College and teaching hospitals. As you can see over the screen about the display, it's displayed that medical Nobel Medical College and teaching hospitals. All right, we have done through this project. We have done this project. All right. First of all, we want to check it out. What department? I mean the what sectors. All right, of the hospitals. To go, you have to just press this and just go to view. Here you can see the department page. Yes, this is the some store data. I'll just get some data from here. Let's suppose department is neurology, and let it be its locations, whatever you can just keep inside it. Right now I'm keeping all right, Kodeshwar. Now here you have to press the save buttons. Yes, now it shows the message save successfully. Okay, now let's check it out where it is inside our data grid view or not. Yes, as you can see, neurology Kodeshwar. Yes, friends. This data we enter right now. If you want to delete, then you just have to enter the ward ID. Okay, let's check it out. It's 34. Yes, exactly. It's showing the 34. And now just select this row, and you can delete over here. So yes, deleted successfully. It shows the message. If you checked it, you don't see over here. Yes, it's working. If you did so this mouse, then let's press to this hide buttons. Yes, the data grid we're gonna hide. If you want to retrieve the data, if you want to see some data over here, you can just go to the source button. Okay, here I'm gonna reset it, and this is the update buttons. Yes, it's showing please provide all the details, because we hadn't did any changes. That's why it's showing those messages. Alright, friends, this is the hide buttons, as you can see over here, and so that we can hide over here. If you want to reset, yes, you can just evaluate, you can just hide it, you can just reset it. Alright, now I'm gonna exit this, and let's move to another form. If you want to go back, then just press this exit button. It's showing over here. If you want to, if you press this, it shows the message for the users. Confirm you want to, if you want to exit. That means this machine is just giving us message about do you really want to exit? Yes. If I did no, then it doesn't. So it doesn't go to the any other forms. All right. If I did yes, then it goes to again to the dashboard. And over here, let's go to the doctor. As you can see, as you can keep each and every doctor informations over here. Let's go to source. Yes, and it shows each and every, as you can source different patient as well. Okay, for example, I want to source this ID number 23 doctor. All right, 23. Yes, it's showing over here. In such a way, you can do each and everything over here. Yes, this is the update button. This is the reset buttons. Yes, this is the exit buttons. As you can see over here, hide. Yes, as you did so. And now what it gonna show, if you want to hide it, then it hide it's hidden. If you want to save, if you want to enter some data, you can go over here and just keep some data over here. Right now I'm not doing so. Yes, as you can see the word from the different as I already kept the neurology, and it shows over here from which department this doctor just lies to, of what department this doctor belongs to, as you can see over here inside the ward ID. All right, and now I want to again access these applications. It again shows the message. Okay, I'm doing yes, and it goes again to the dashboard. And now let's see about the inpatients. All right, here you can see the inpatients, the who are admitted inside the hospitals. This is the list of those patients the who have admitted it as well, but the discharge date isn't fixed, but they are just admitted inside the hospitals. Yes, this data shows their informations about those things, those who have admitted inside the hospitals. Yes, as you can search over here, 26. Yes, as you can find, as you can get the data over here. Yes, this is for the inpatients. Again, I want to hide it, and it's hidden. All right, I'm going to go back, and again, so about the outpatient. Yes, as you can see the outpatients, as you can search over here, as you get each and every data of the patients. All right, friends. Now let's move towards the disease. Yes, as I showed, this is of all the patients of both inpatient and outpatients. If they are inpatients, then they have the particular admitted date and discharge date. But if a patient is outpatients, then they do not have any what do you call that? Any admitted date. They just come and visit and just treat themselves. Those patients are known as outpatients, friends. All right. And now let's go towards the disease. Yes, as you can see, from which disease those patients, the so-called patients, is affected by those disease. As you can see all the details over here. Yes, as you can see, I have just inputted only two data. That's why it's showing only two. As you can just enter much more data over here through over here as well. As you can see, the patient, those patients who belongs to this disease, it shows such details about this. All right. Yes, as you can see over here, as you can source as well. Yes, as you can hide as well. All right, this is the set button, this is reset, this is update, delete, exit. Okay, I'm gonna exit it. All right. Okay, now if you want to see the report of the patients that were admitted to Nobel Medical College and Teaching Hospitals, as you can get each and every details about the patients. What I mean to say, his or her report that belongs to the patients. Alright, here I'm gonna show about the patients report. Yes, this is the report desktop, as I have done through the SAP Crystal reports. Alright. Okay, let's check about. Let's retrieve the report of patients. Let's take example. All right, over here I want to see the patient ID. Okay, here I'm gonna extract the report of patient ID number 20. Alright, here I'm gonna go now. Let's see, friends. Over here I'm gonna press 20. Alright, then let's click button towards the show button. It takes some more times. It takes some times, friends. Be patient about this. Yes, as you can see, loading. Yes, alright, friends. As it showed about each and every informations about the patients, what he through which disease he's affected, and which doctor just checked him, and from which what he belongs to. You can get each and every details of the patient over here. Alright, as you can see over here, Nobel Medic Hospital and Research Center, Banishore, Kathmandu, Nepal, visited its website, yes, from which ward it belongs to, and from which doctor he checked by, who patient. This is the victim's detail. Yeah, this is the biggest deal. As you can see, the victim's detail through his disease he's affected by. Yes, ID number 18. Disease name lungs caused by bacteria. All right, as you can keep it and everything over here. All right, now let's click to the exit buttons, and it shows the message. I want to just click to S buttons, then it directly forward towards the dashboard master face. These things I want to say you. Alright, now if you want to change the password of these applications, then you just have to press this account setting. Okay, alright, as you can see, reset passport. Over here you can just reset the password of the next one. As you can feel about, as you feel the security. Yes, I'm pressing the old one. The old password was Bania. Alright, a new passport, I want to keep it the leap. Yes, I want to confirm it now, and just click to the change buttons. Yes, it shows a message, passport changed successfully, then click to yes. Yes, alright, and go to click clear, exit. And now, yes, this is the button where you want to just leave these applications. You want to press this log out. Yes, I am doing now. Yes, it directly shows towards the dashboard. I'm sorry, it's a login page, admin login phase. Okay, now as we have reset the passport, now let's try it, friends, whether it works or not. Admin, and what was my old passport? First of all, I want to press my old passport. That we have changed the passport, the name called Dilip, but my old passport was Bania. Yes, I'm gonna try it. And what is it? Yes, it's showing, friends. Please give the valid username and passport, because this is the old passport one. I have already changed, so I have to keep the new passport. Okay, let's try it. Yes, friends, it shows it's successfully login successfully. Then just click to open, and now as you can just go inside this. Yes, friends, I want to tell the one things about its feature. Now, without going to different forms, as I have shown over here, you have to just whether if you want to just take the details about each and everything that might be what doctor, passion, disease, each and every details of the patients. If you want to know, then you can just click towards the source buttons that I have shown over here. Yes, this is the source button. This is the master show text box, source engine. Yeah, here you can just search each and every details you can get over here, where and despite just entering inside each individual forms. Okay, I want to show you some small individual, I mean a single example. All right, let's try it 20. Yes, it doesn't valid over here, that's why it's showing. Yes, let's do it for ID 32. All right, as you can see, 32 ID, what ID. Over here you can see each and every details of the patients, whether by which doctor he checked on, and what is his each and everything's. Yes, gender as well, disease ID. Yes, as you can see which disease is the so-called patient is affected by, each and everything. So over here you can get it. All right, friends. All right, hope you got friends, as I haven't shown the its code source. Okay, let's hope I'll just do make it to another video. Please friends, if you feel any kinds of, you know, what do you call, any weakness, if you want to give any suggestions about my project, then please don't forget to just comment below and under the comment box, so that I can, you know, brings new things from through it. All right friends, this much. Thank you. And finally, please friends, do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you feel useful, then please subscribe my channels, whether I can bring new videos as well, much more informative than this one, as I'm going to start my next project soon, friends. That might be full of miracles. Friends, okay. Thank you friends, thank you for all. All right.